What's up everyone, welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. I hope you're enjoying the Reefapalooza videos so far. In today's episode we meet up with Jeff from Mad Hatter's Reef. It's always fun to meet up with a fellow YouTuber, and today we're going to talk about the mystery reef box, so let's jump right into it. What's up everyone, we're here at the Mystery Reef Box booth with none other than Jeff, Mad Hatter's Reef himself. How are you doing today?
Good.
Yeah, Reefapalooza is a crazy event. You're out here with the Mystery Reef Box. Can you explain to everyone what that is?
Yep, I'm gonna have to grab it because I'm pretty hands-on. But so this is our box. This is our original box. This one is a $45 subscription box. Every month it gets sent to you, and we typically try to keep it as fresh as we possibly can, adding different items every month. And so $45 a month, typically what you're going to see for value is about $55. We also, if you could do unboxings, which if you search that here on YouTube, you'll find them. We do a contest for that, so every month we have a different product that you can win. And this one here, it was a Finex titanium heater, and Mr. Billy Pipes himself won that one because he did an unboxing for us. And for every box that we sell, we also donate $1 to some type of coral preservation foundation. We supported the Coral Restoration Foundation last year. This year coming, we're going to actually be supporting the ADE project, which is Walt Smith's project down in Fiji.
You don't just get stuff that can help you with your tank, but you're also helping out, like you said, Coral Reef, the Restoration Foundation.
Obviously, you know, the reefs are under a lot of stress, and we're trying to help in what little way we can to make sure that that's here for future generations.
So what do you think of events like this, Reefapalooza? I know you make a lot of videos talking about different products that can help an aquarist. What's some advice for a beginner, someone who's just getting into the hobby?
I think that conventions like this are absolutely great. I just went to Aquaculture last week, which was absolutely amazing. If anybody has an opportunity to check out Aquaculture, I definitely recommend that. I think it's important to kind of have that connection between the companies that have these products out there and, you know, have a face that you can talk to those people that are actually consuming the products or buying the products and can, you know, have an idea of what's going on, and that face-to-face contact with the consumer and, you know, the company. So if you have a question about something, like with the Apex, you know, you can go talk to Terrence himself and figure out what's going on with that product.
Yeah, absolutely. And how do you feel like YouTube has helped people get into the hobby?
I think we've only just begun. I think influencers, people that are creating content on YouTube, are definitely going to be the wave of the future for these companies to have a point of contact with the people that are actually buying the product.
Very cool. Well, big fan, like what you do at Mad Hatter's Reef. Love the Mystery Reef Box. So yeah, check him out at mysteryreefbox.com, right?
Yep.
And,
hey guys, one thing, I'm going to take this for a second.
Okay.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the face.
It was a lot of fun talking to Jeff about the Mystery Reef Box and the support that they're doing this year for the ADE project. Be sure to check out Mystery Reef Box at mysteryreefbox.com and subscribe to Mad Hatter's Reef on YouTube. And I'll catch you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.